Hey, it's James and Michael and the Crypto Guys, and today we're going to give you an update on what's happening with Bitcoin. Also, news out of Thailand about crypto that we're going to pass on to you, and an altcoin gets a rebrand. So, Michael, by the way, good to see you. And
Yeah, good to
since
see you
you
too.
actually live in Thailand,
Yeah, Thailand's banned payment as a digital asset payment. So if you want to sell your products or service, you cannot use crypto in Thailand. According to the SEC, let's see how that's going to go and how Thai people respond to that. But I'm not going to be selling anything in Thailand with crypto.
yeah, now you can still trade. You can still trade crypto.
Yeah,
You
you
just
can
can't
still
buy things
trade.
with
Yeah,
it. But
crypto is quite big in like Thailand, and actually is much easier than most countries, I would say, for banking and everything. They got a pretty good system in Thailand. Yeah.
yeah, that's fantastic. Well, we've before we get to the altcoin that we want to talk about that has a rebrand and a version 2.0. Before we get to that, let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Not a lot is happening, but just fill us in.
Well, look, we're in this pattern, right?
Mhm.
So we've been in here for a while. Like if we count the top of the bottom, I guess all the way back in like January, right? Like when we went down, we basically been going kind of sideways, right, in this pattern. And now we're kind of going up a little bit, and people get all excited. But actually, we're just following the pattern. Look, the way I would recommend you is if you're doing like shorter trades and you like to be cash positive, I would exit if you want to be safe at 43.3, right around that price here. Just exit your trades to play it safe. Now, if we break it, right, and you don't need to sell everything. You could sell some. That's probably what I will do, right? But you know, if we break it, that will be a good. You could wait till we break it, by the way, but then we might go all the way to 53. That's a 21% gain. That would be very nice. Very possible because, you know, if we are looking at S&P 500, we're still pumping. NASDAQ, not so much. We have a bit of a downtrend, but S&P still going up, still doing well. A lot of green candles up here, right? So we'll do like that. If we get rejected from here, then we are going to go back to this support. If we break support, then where we're going to go, I would say we're probably going to go in this red zone. Okay, now the red zone is anywhere from 29 till 33, which would make sense because our low point is 33 here. So you could say that, yeah, like that would be back. But, you know, when you reach that point, usually you get a lower low than that when it breaks, right? You always go a little bit like lower. So 30 would be in the cards, even 29, right? So be cash positive in case that like happens. But for sure, I would buy the dip. And I actually been preparing for that in case that ever like happens. But, you know, nothing is really like happening. Like, you know, the S&P is pumping. That's true, but we're not out of the woods yet. And I think that Bitcoin has a strong chance of like pumping. I would say that, right? So we did break this on a 15-minute like level. If you want to look at a short term, we did break this like resistant. It seems. Let's see, because it seemed like it's a fake out. But shorter time frame are never as reliable as long-term time frame, like 4 hour, right? So yeah, that's how I'm playing this game. Very cash positive here, and very optimistic that we're going to go up. That's pretty much it I have for you, right? And then you want to talk about the new design, we can do that.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit about an altcoin called MetaGold. So for those of you who are familiar to our channel, you know that we are big backers in the project MetaGold Rewards. And MetaGold Rewards has just gone through a redesign on the website. We're excited about it.
Well, it's MetaGold 2.0, not just a redesign, but we restructured the rewards. And what that means is that we're giving 300 billion out of the trillion away. That's 30% of all the like supply. So that's why we're able to give you 1,943% APY. And so we redesigned the website. We rewrote a white paper. You can click the white paper here to read about it. And the staking fixed rewards are guaranteed. And then you're getting the USDT reflections of 11 to 25% on every transaction. That means you buy now, the volume gets higher and higher, which it probably will. Then you're going to make a lot of money from the USDT, but you will also make this is an estimate, not a guaranteed, but this is guaranteed 232% APY plus the 11 and 25% on everything to all the like holders. So, and I would want to add one thing here. I know right now there's a lot of rebased coins who are guaranteeing you 150,000%. But the problem with that is you should know that they're something to look at. Even, we may get behind one of those like projects, but one of the things that makes MetaGold different, there's a limited supply. Okay. We're not minting new coins. It's 1 trillion and that's it. And we already burned a lot of it. So that means that we can't make any more coins. Okay. Well, unlike other ones who can give you higher percentage, they're minting new coins. Right. So that's what makes MetaGold different. And so want to check that out. You can read the white paper or you could just go and like buy and like try it. But, what we made a plan is how to turn $1,000 into $1 million within 2.3 years, which is fairly good, right? And that is only available to people who invest within the next 3 years. But we have locked the liquidity for 79 years as well. Something for you to think about, right?
79 years for sure. For those of you who followed MetaGold, this is a long play. MetaGold launched last year, back in December, and has a really good Telegram group that goes with it. Lots of rewards as well along with it.
Yeah, this is the chart here now. We're on a uptrend. Good time to buy. We had a bit of a downtrend, but we're going up today. So the prices are actually quite good at this time because you're buying the dip and all that, right? So yeah,
exactly.
And this is just launched today, MetaGold 2.0. And so we have not marketed. This is the first time we announced on the video. So in fact, buying right now, MetaGold 2.0, great opportunity. If you've been thinking about it, should I buy MetaGold or not? Hey, guys, there's never been a better time to buy than now. Okay.
For sure.
Just say that.
Sure. Yeah, you can sit around waiting for Bitcoin to go up by 2%, or you can do this and go for 1,943%. So
yeah, that's right. Right. Okay. Well, if you want to check that out, go to the description and check out MetaGold 2.0, and you can buy some of the coins. And when you buy them, make sure you stake them at a fixed rate of 232%. That is paid daily. By the way, I should just tell you very quickly, after you buy your coins, you can go to your MetaGold dashboards, and we're building a calculator right now. But one of the things that you're going to see is that if you go to staking, you can enter the amount once after you buy, you connect your wallet, you approve, and then you enter the amount of coins that you want stake, let's say 1 billion, and then you press stake. There'll be a stake button that will show up. Once you approve it, you have to approve it first. And that's pretty much it. Then you're in business, and once a day you receive 0.33% daily interest, which is compounded at 232% per year. Absolutely guaranteed. No more supply of MetaGold being mint. You can't go wrong. This is best opportunity for the early investors of MetaGold. I will say like that without making any exaggeration. So I think this is quite good opportunity compared to anything else out there. Yeah, I would say like that.
Yep. Fantastic. All right. Well, it's a good thing that you don't need your crypto to buy something in Thailand today, because you wouldn't be allowed. But apart from that, I hope you have a fantastic day.
Wasn't doing it anyway, right? We weren't making transactions.
What can I even buy with crypto?
Yeah, not much. It's not like El Salvador, right? Where you can book a hotel or buy food or buy clothes, Thailand doesn't have any of that. I mean, they probably do, but I'm not aware of it, right? So
that'll be a good day, though, when the world gets to that point where we can just book flights, book whatever.
Yeah,
that'd be fantastic.
Yeah, let's see what will happen. But right now, opportunities are here, and I would say grab it while you can.
Absolutely. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye for now.